Rules for having a cat in a small apartment. Living in a small apartment with a cat can be rather fantastic. The flexibility of cats is well known. They may live and be happy even in small areas. Still, you want to make sure your cat companion finds your flat safe and pleasant. This video will walk you toward that. Make a cozy space. Your cat needs somewhere comfortable to call home. This might be even a box, a nice blanket, or a little bed. Put it in a quiet space where your cat might withdraw for some alone time. Cats enjoy feeling safe, hence find a place that seems contained or sheltered. Make sure it's away from your apartment's heavy traffic or noisy areas. Specify vertical space. Cats enjoy high perching and climbing. Going vertical will help you to utilize space in a compact apartment. Install a cat tree or shelves to provide your kitty chances for climbing and investigating. Along with entertainment value, this offers fitness. Particularly in a limited area, cats feel more safe when they have high places to hide. Maintain the clean litter box. Your cat's surroundings must have a litter box, absolutely vital. Keeping a small flat clean is considerably more crucial. Uncomfortable smells and unhappy cats might result from a dirty litter box. Put the litter box in an open and peaceful area. Make sure it's not too near the bowls for food and drink for your cat. Daily cleaning will help your apartment stay new and your cat happy. Offer mental stimulation. To remain happy and healthy, cats need mental stimulation. Given a small apartment, this can be really difficult. Still, there are lots of methods to keep your cat occupied. Offer little balls or feathers to replicate prey. Great choices include interactive toys your cat can pounce on or chase. Toy rotation will also help to keep things interesting. Keeping a bored cat interesting is essential since they could start to show behavioral issues. Daily play with your cat. The welfare of your cat depends on play. It's a wonderful approach to keep them busy and strengthen your relationship. Fun play sessions are possible even in a tiny area. Start your cat moving with a wand toy or a laser pointer. Cats enjoy chasing and pouncing, hence little apartment would be ideal for these activities. Make sure you spend daily normal playtime. It maintains your cat in good shape and helps lower stress. Provide a window view. Cats enjoy seeing the outdoors. Give your cat a window perch so she may see the world change. One can find enjoyment even in a modest flat via the window view. Cats like viewing people, cars, and birds. Should you have a safe and secure window, you can also leave it somewhat open for fresh air. Check that your cat cannot escape and that the window is secure. Think on a compact cat tree. A cat tree doesn't have to occupy much room. There are plenty of fashionable, little choices. A little cat tree with a few tiers can offer hours of entertainment value. On it, your cat can nap, scratch, and climb. Search for a cat tree suitable for a window's proximity or a corner. This will maximize your available space and provide your cat with an interesting hangout. Make sense of space. Every inch in a small apartment counts. Use hiding places like behind the couch or under the bed. These spaces let you keep cat essentials including food, toys, and litter. Think of multifarious furniture that doubles as cat furniture. Your cat can sit or sleep on a seat with storage inside, for instance. If you approach space imaginatively, your apartment will seem larger and more pleasant for your cat as well as for you. Keep the surroundings peaceful. Stress and noise can affect cats sensitively. One should maintain the surroundings peaceful in a small flat. Steer clear of loud music and unexpected sounds that can frighten your cat. Make sure your cat has a safe hiding spot should guests visit. Your cat will be more relaxed and secure in a peaceful surroundings. Present your cat gradually. Slowly expose your new cat to the small flat you are bringing it into. Start by grouping their needs, food, drink, litter box, and a comfortable bed, into one room. Let them investigate on their own speed. Give them progressively access to different areas of the apartment. This will enable them to relax and feel less under pressure. Sort clutter. A small apartment can seem even smaller from clutter. Not only for your cat but also for you, keep your surroundings neat. Cats require space to roam about and investigate. For them, clutter can cause stress and hindrances. Clear floor surfaces of extraneous objects. Keep everything your cat might knock over or get into stashed. For your cat as much as for you, a clutter-free environment is more pleasant. Apply friendly decor. Your flat can be chic and cat-friendly simultaneously. Think about furnishings employing scratch-resistant materials. Under food and water bowls, set easily cleaned carpets or mats. You might also include cat-friendly plants, such as catnip or grass. Steer clear of poisonous to cats, flora like poinsettias or lilies. Considering your cat will help you to design a harmonic living environment. Create hiding spaces. Cats like hiding. Your cat should have somewhere in a small apartment where it can feel comfortable and secure. This might be a covered bed, a box, or a shelf with a curtain. Hiding places provide your cat with security and help to lower stress. Make sure these areas are conveniently located yet also free from regular traffic's path. Verify appropriate ventilation. In a tiny apartment, especially with a cat, good ventilation is vital. Keep your space smelling fresh by ensuring it is well ventilated. When at all possible, open windows, but make sure they are safe so your cat cannot flee. Additionally useful for helping to eliminate smells and maintain clean air are air purifiers. Good ventilation will help your apartment to be more comfortable for your cat as well as for you. Scheduled vet visits. The health of your cat should be first even in a small space. Plan frequent veterinarian appointments, please. Maintaining vaccines, flea control, and frequent visits need constant awareness. Whichever size of your living area, a healthy cat is a happy cat. Frequent veterinarian appointments will help to guarantee that your cat lives a long, healthy life. Store food and water fresh. Always fresh food and water for your kitty. Small apartment living makes it easy to overlook these fundamentals. Keep the food area neat and change the water every day. Given their fininess about food, fresh meals will keep cats content. Another way you could inspire your cat to drink more is with a water fountain. Show scratching posts. Cats have to scratch. They mark their territory and naturally assist to maintain their claws healthy. Scratch posts are crucial in a small apartment to help to stop furniture damage. Where your cat likes to spend time, put scratching posts. Another way to save space is with vertical scratching surfaces. This will meet your cat's desire for scratching and help to keep your apartment looking good. Maintain regular routine of your cat. Cats get great satisfaction in routine. Keeping a regular schedule will make your cat feel safe even in a small environment. Feed them at the same times every day. Maintain constant playfulness and grooming as well. Your cat will be content and stress will be lowered by a consistent schedule. Track weight of your cat. A cat will easily become inactive in a small space. Track your cat's weight and see whether they are getting enough exercise. Regular play with them will give chances for physical activity. This will keep your cat healthy and assist ward against weight increase. Maintain your apartment. Clean your cat as well as you depend on a tidy apartment. Regularly wash your cat's litter box, toys, and bedding. Often in order to get pet hair and dander, vacuum and dust. Keeping your cat healthy and lowering allergies depend on a clean surroundings. It also enhances the appeal of your apartment for living. Give your cat time. Your cat depending on you for company in a small flat. Make sure your cat gets daily quality time. Your cat will value your time in playing, grooming, or simply sitting with her. In a tiny environment, cats may grow bored or lonely. Why? Your presence is crucial. One can quite certainly have a cat in a small flat. Your kitty friend will live in a pleasant and joyful surroundings if you just plan and use some imagination. Keep in mind the need of providing regular playtime, vertical possibilities, and comfortable areas. Keep your apartment orderly, free of clutter, and loving. Your cat will flourish and you will have a harmonic life together in your modest apartment.